Before we start writing code, we need to understand what programming really means. Programming is not about memorizing symbols. It's about learning how to give clear instructions to a computer. Imagine a computer as a robot helper. It is fast, it can repeat tasks many times, it does not get tired, but it is also very literal. That means it can only follow exactly what you tell it to do. Now, imagine you tell the robot, draw a house. That sounds simple to us, but to the robot, this instruction is not clear enough. What kind of a house? What shape should it start with? Where should the roof go? The robot cannot guess. It needs exact steps. So instead of giving big, vague instructions, we break the task into smaller steps. Draw a square, add a triangle roof, add a door, and 2 windows. Now, the computer has something it can actually follow. This is the heart of programming. We take an idea in our mind and turn it into clear steps. When the steps are clear, the computer can follow them. Clear steps produce a clear result. Later in this course, we will use programming to build simulations. A simulation is a program that follows rules over time. In Cellular Automata, every cell in a grid follows a tiny rule. When simple rules happen again and again, complex patterns can appear. Now it's your turn. Think of one everyday task like brushing your teeth or making noodles. Break it into exact steps, then ask yourself, could a robot follow your steps without guessing?